About a year ago, in fact, in mid-November, I became interested at the request of a number of individuals from the community about processes associated or discussions or actions by the Chula Vista Police Department. And in particular, the issue was the Christian Morales case that was reported in the Union Tribune. Following the numerous comments or suggestions that we were given by the public, we took the opportunity to contact the police department, the mayor's office, the city attorney's office, the city manager's office, and subsequently we've had some pretty good conversations with the city manager's office, the city attorney's office, and we've been hosted at least twice by the chief of police and Captain Wedge. And in those instances, we've discussed a variety of things, including the processes you'll be discussing in the agenda item. And that's fine. We acknowledge that during the situation of the Christian Morales case, while it was being litigated, that it would probably be not appropriate or even legally permissible for the city, or the police department, or all the other players to participate in dialogue with us regarding the specific incident of Christian Morales. However, during all of these processes, we have been very forthright about seeking improvements, or at least opportunities to improve whatever processes exist to protect the public. And by that I don't mean that the public is not being protected now. By that I mean that when we have irregularities, aberrations, incidents where citizens may feel that they weren't treated fairly, that we have a process or something to that end. Because of that, on at least 2 occasions, I have brought forth to Chief Emerson and Captain Wedge an opportunity to revisit the Citizens Task Force report on civilian police review that was produced on December 4th, 2001. I brought copies so that all of you, at your leisure, will have an opportunity to review these. Chief, can you help me out? By the way,